Thank you very much. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jovidon. I am from Tajikistan. So today I'm going to briefly speak about the Kulob Botanic Garden. So Tajikistan, maybe some of you don't know about it, where it's located. So Tajikistan is one of the Central Asia countries. It's located between Afghanistan, Uzbekistan, China, and Kyrgyzstan. So in the south of Tajikistan, our garden is located in the south of Tajikistan, Kulob Botanic Garden. So it was established in 1985, jointly initiative by Academy Science of Tajikistan, Republic of Tajikistan, and it's a public founded. The garden is situated in the northeast part of the Kulob town in the 600. I'm going to say the meters, not feet. I'm so sorry. So yes, it's 650 high above sea level. So the total area of the garden is 18 hectares. Again, it's about 40 some acres. I don't know. I forget it. So sorry. So the garden is the first scientific and academic institution in the south Tajikistan, and its main scientific research objective to find different ways of experimentation of trees, shrubs, flowers, medicals, and edible plants. So, yes, this is the first picture of the garden before starting works. Firstly, it was 5 hectares. Again, I'm going to skip the acres, I don't know. So this is the map of a garden. So I'm going to show later in the next slides. The garden is divided into 4 parts. Yes, so geographical continents of the Kulob Botanic Garden. So as in this picture you can see easily, this is the 4 part of the garden. The first one is North America, so all species and trees are from the North America, and the next one is South Europe and Crimea, Caucasus, and the next part is East Asia, and the last one is all species and trees and shrubs from the Central Asia. So it's in the middle of garden we have like this view. So the first trees of the Botanic Garden, by the way, the garden was established by Tillozod. So he was the founder, and the establishment of this garden was our father. So we are siblings. So he was a dean of in State University, and he gave up all and started to establish a garden. It was not easy in this condition, in this situation, because a lot of paperwork, a lot of getting license, it was very hard to get all of them, but despite of all these challenges, he did it. So he started, when they started, there was only 2 staff, he and one of his, you see the office here, it's a very, yes, they were very small office and a few species. So the main objectives of Kulob Botanic Garden are to deliver and sow the plant seeds from the different regions in the garden and study their bioecological features as well as their acclimatization in new environment. The next one is to conduct through or study a bioecological feature of the collecting flora varieties and the plant of collected plants in geographic areas of the garden in an identified order, protect the local and endangered, which are most of them are disappearing in flora of Tajikistan, and to multiplication of their number in the natural habitat, and also to study methods and domestication of wild herbs such as Kumicum, currant, barberry, ziziflora, and etc. So as you see, in compare of this was the first year of the garden. In the second year, the plant already grew up, and the population is slowly increasing. So far more than 2,450 species and types of trees, shrubs, and flowers have been collected and tested that relate to 49 families and 137 genera. The garden employees set a goal to be engaged in study and cultivation of the rare and endangered plant species. So the main aim of the study is to assess the current state of the rare and endangered plant species and the rare and in the natural habitat and their bioecological features. In addition, special experts and specialists intend to collect their seeds from wild and multiply their number in the garden in garden condition. It's something like the in situ and ex situ studies. In the recent years, the Botanic Garden employees managed to study a few areas in South Tajikistan and collected the seeds from the local plants. So nowadays there are more than 200 species of plants collected, out of which 16 of them are registered in the Red Book of Tajikistan and the Red Book of the Central Asia, out of 200. So during 2019 and 2024, the employees of the Kulob Botanic Garden managed to collect about 2,000 herbarium species. And also we have a demonstration plot of the live red book in garden, so which we are going to collect from wild and going to sow them. So this is a few of them. Most of them are tulipas. We have Mr. George, huh? So 26 species of tulipas in the south of Tajikistan, and Chavtash endemic here. So six of these tulipas are endemic to Tajikistan, and 18 species is included in the Red Book of Tajikistan. Tulipa turkistanica, Tulipa tuberganiana, and Tulipa lilifolia. So this is also allium species. Chanam with the So there's around 100 species plant of allium in Tajikistan, and out of these 120 of species are wide used for eating, so they are edible. This is Eremerus. Chana with Eremerus. And in Tajikistan there are 27 different kind of Eremerus in Tajikistan, and 18 of them are cultivated in the garden. So these irises we call junior or irises. Yeah, Chandonai. So there is 14 different species of junior or irises in Tajikistan. And this is Junior leptariza, is endemic to South Tajikistan, and it's included in the red list of IUCN. Caridalis. Yes, Caridalis. So also we have a collaboration with many institutions and botanic gardens. This collaboration with scientists from the Central Botanic of Siberia. They paid visit to Tajikistan, and also we have a memorandum with them. So also scientific collaboration with the representatives of the Royal Botanic Garden of Edinburgh, so and Kew also, collecting plant with our staff. So plant processing and database entering with the staff of Edinburgh Royal Botanic Garden. So this is how we collect and database entry. This is our herbarium preparation and identification place. Also, this is a herbarium storage places. So we have many guests from around the world. This is the visit of the British ambassador to our garden. Thank you for your attention.